Namaskar, dear friends. We are at the final video, at the final step. First of all, I'm giving my congratulations to you, and I bow before you for your determination, for your sincerity, that you have been with us for 5 weeks and that you have practiced your meditation. I'm very sure you have changed internally, and it has changed our planet also, because this planet of ours is just a spaceship that is flying through vast space, a little ball made of stone, populated with 7 billion people. We are all together. We are breathing the same air, we are drinking the same water, we are thinking the same thoughts, we are creating an atmosphere for each other. So we are moving from imperfection to perfection. And now you have moved, you have advanced our civilization forward through your practice. Because you will emanate in your life much more kindness, much more awareness, much more consciousness. And I'm really happy for that. I would like to give some final instructions. Of course, I'm not saying goodbye, because there are much more courses that you can go through. Like a biopsychology course is very, very important. It's about the workings of our glands and how the emotions are originating in the body. Then there is a course on food, the theory of food, acidic food, alkaline food, prana, vital energy, mental, how you, what you should remember when you are cooking the food, how to create a proper psychological environment to create the best food in the world, how to utilize six tastes, like bitter, astringent, sour, how the food affects emotions, and this is theoretical. And then there is also practical part, recipes. Then there is a very important course on the secrets of success. So stay with us with the meditation steps. And then next course also is very important, is about moral principles, the principles of harmony. Those principles, they are like a foundation, the basis for meditation. They build your character, they build your personality, and they allow you to meditate to have very powerful meditations. So stay with us. But this practical course I want to finish with several instructions. First of all, try and make no compromises about your regularity. Do meditation twice a day regularly. Whatever happens, there may be many different situations, but you can still do meditation. Many years ago, I have given a promise to myself. Whatever will happen, I will still do meditation twice a day. And since then, I never missed. Maybe I do, sometimes even 5 minutes, but I never miss. I always do. You can always find 5 minutes in your busy time, and you will see that even those 5 minutes, they have affected you so positively. You were about to take a disastrous decision, but then you thought, let me meditate first. You sat for meditation and you changed your mind. So do meditation twice a day. Why we should do twice a day? When you wake up, you bring from your unconscious mind a certain atmosphere. And then you carry it to your work, to your family. But when you meditate in the morning, you touch with the divinity in yourself. And then when you come to your, where you work, at your job, you express that. You will hurt much less people, and you will make happy much more people. You will take much more balanced decisions, and you will have much more inspiration. So in this way, you are becoming an asset for human society. Also, when you come home after the work, you are colored with the experience of your day. You are colored with that. You might have a difficult day, you might have a good day, but you are colored. And you carry all those waves, all those vibrations, all those thoughts waves in the sacred space of your house, of your home. So don't interact with your family when you come. Go, do half bath, the diver's reflex video, then do some singing of the mantra, the 6th or 7th step of the meditation steps process, then sit for meditation. And then when you come out of meditation, again you are rejuvenated, you have beautiful mind, then you can interact with your family and you will only carry the goodness inside your home. So this is one point. Regularity in the practice and no compromise. In the future, you might be developing in your practice and there might be a desire to learn a deeper process of meditation. If you have that desire, then you contact us and we will help you to fulfill that desire. There are many personal steps, personal lessons of meditation. So you can learn them one by one and become really a deep practitioner of meditation. But if you don't have that desire, this is just fine. This is powerful, efficient method of meditation, what I just have taught you. Then another thing, when we meditate, we elevate our mind and we feel different. But then we start to interact with the people, respond their calls and solve many problems. And then our mind goes down again to normalcy. But preferably, we should be always in the state of inspiration, always in the state of joy, peaceful joy, and in a balanced state, where not the emotions rule, but there is a rule of rationality. This is our aim, to remain in that state. So how to remain there? It is only through the spiritual vibrations, through the spiritual waves, through the spiritual elevation. So you have meditated, you elevated your mind, but then your mind slides down. Even myself, I'm meditating for more than 20 years. I meditate, I feel very good, but then I'm going to do the work and the mind goes down. For example, I like, as a hobby, to do some construction work. So, cutting the wood, screwing, fitting everything together, building houses. I like it. But when I do it, my mind becomes a little crazy. I think about the wood. So as you think, so you become. I become a wood. I meditate and then I still building, I'm still doing the construction. So this is a sign that the mind has become crudified. And I noticed that if I don't do during the day meditation, my mind goes down. So I would like to advise you to do special meditation during the day, during your working hours. It doesn't take a long time. Just before you come out of your house, wait. Stay for a minute or for a few seconds and take the ideation. Repeat the mantra Bhavanam Kevalam internally and feel consciousness is all there is. I am part of that consciousness. Everything around of me is part of that consciousness. And it is the joy within me expressing itself. It is not that I have to go. No, there is a joy within me. There is an energy within me waiting for expression. I am expressing that joyful energy. And then move ahead with your business. You enter the car, you enter the bus, you respond your call, feel. Now I am going to act. Let the joy within me express itself. Repeat the mantra. It's just like 20 seconds meditation. In 20 seconds you recreate the best state of the mind you can. And then from that state of harmony, from that state of unity, you act. And when you will act, it will be harmonious. It will not be imbalanced. So in this way, during the day, you will keep yourself in the spiritual flow. This is the last important instruction. So twice a day, do meditation. During the day, now and then, remind yourself. Return into that state of awareness, into that state of joy. Every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, before every action. Just stay in that flow. Then be with the meditation steps. There are some additional videos also on this level. We have recorded the video, is called We Dream. It's about the mission and the dream of the meditation steps and what we want to accomplish. Actually, already I told in the beginning of this video that if you meditate, if you become better, the entire humanity becomes better. And this is our goal, in short. And how we are going to do it, I'm going to describe in that video. So be with us. I would be very much happy to meet you in person, somewhere, sometimes, or if I cannot, then I can advise a good company in your place, somewhere where you are. Those people who are practicing according to our methods. And you can be together, you can have a retreat. Retreat is another good thing to do. Once in 3 months or once in half a year, it is good to physically come in company of spiritual practitioners and practice intensely. Like we come together for 3 or 4 days and we do 5 times meditation, 2 times asanas, we eat proper food, we observe every rules and recommendations. And during those days, mind gets so much elevated. And you have that energy, and that energy will carry you forward during another 3-4 months. You will still have that charge within yourself. So that is also a good thing to practice, to have a retreat. So you can find out everything in our website. We are developing it, and you can also write us and request the information where you can find. Yeah, and we are very happy to help you. So, and also we appreciate very much that if you help us. If you help us, let's say you share the video on your social networks. Not share because dad ask you, oh, please help us. No, I don't want like this. But you truly like something. You like and you feel it is important. So let it be in your mind that if you have this feeling inside that this was important, this was meaningful for me, it has changed me, it has helped me, then you share with your friends on the social network. It will help our project to grow, and it will help to fulfill the mission to make this, to transform this world into something extremely beautiful. It is already beautiful, but it will become more and more beautiful as we grow in our awareness, as we grow in our consciousness. So thank you very much again for going through entire course. Let us stay together, and I'm your friend. I would like to be your friend and continue to move together. Namaskar.